Boat rentals at Naples Bay Resort is your key to experiencing world-class boating simplified. We have a fleet of Everglades 243 center console and Harris K-Yacht 22-foot sport deck boats that make skimming the local waters an unforgettable experience. Powered by HP Mercury Verado engines, our boats are perfect for a day on the water. From fishing and exploring the area to simply relaxing on a private beach. Our boats include complimentary fishing rods, Garmin GPS chart plotter navigation, digital throttle and steering, built-in coolers, storage lockers, and a stereo system. For lunch or snacks on the go, let Olio on the Bay deliver a basket of delicious cuisine right to your boat. Make your boating reservations today. Boat rentals at Naples Bay Resort. World-class boating. Simplified.